Welcome to another Fabu online tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be putting a pad heater for your oil. So basically an oil heater. These are sold at places like Canadian Tire. Pretty simple. They have a pad. Today I'm going to be using the splitter and extra zip ties, preferably cold weather. Don't get the dollar store, go spend the extra money. Anyways, so right now all I have is a battery heater for my car, which I got at Princess Auto. My vehicle, it's a hybrid. So, well, it's a 2006 Ford Escape hybrid, and they didn't come with any heaters because this one's from the United States. So I'm here in Canada. It's probably minus, I don't know, 30, whatever. And I noticed it was starting really rough. So I am going to install this. Okay, so I have the package open. These are the instructions. If you must, pause the video now and you can read them. Okay, so basically what it says is that it must be on the metal surface, the bottom of the oil pan. It must be flat. The entire heater must be solid contact with the pan oil surface, and it must be smooth. No bumps, ridges, ribs, whatever. Oh, and do not cut or trim the heater. It's a closed unit. So, when you're under your car, this is what you're going to do. Pause the video and read it if you want. Okay, so the instructions are, you're going to put it onto the metal surface. It should be on the oil pan. Obviously, this is what it's for. But not all oil pans are metal, so make sure it is steel, aluminum, cast iron. If it's plastic, do not use this. Ensure that the heater is placed on a solid contact, and make sure it is smooth, no bumps, ridges, grooves, holes, so on a flat surface. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean it. So we're going to go under the car right now, and that's exactly what I've done. Just a sec. Here we are. My oil filter's there, oil pan's there. I clean this surface. Okay, for me I use steel wool, and then I use some wipes. And it's still kind of warm, so it dried up nice. So there should be nothing on it. So for this part of the video, what you're going to do is you're going to get a plug it into the wall, and the instructions say that you're going to plug the device in for 3 to 5 seconds to get it hot. I recommend doing it calmly so you don't burn yourself. It does warn that if you do it wrong, you're going to hurt yourself. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to put it in the direction that you want your plug. So for me, I want it this way, so I'm going to put that with the cord facing this way. Okay, so I have the pad adhered to it. It's stuck. So the next step for me, because I've already done my line all the way up, basically what I did was I went over to this bar up above, looped it around up here, and then I went through the front of my car. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take this it's a silicone, you're going to put it around the edges, and you're going to rub it flat, and it's going to seal it so it doesn't get any water in that area. which I will do now.